Hi, I'm Lana, an ex-travel agent. Welcome to my channel Travel to Comfort. I stayed in two different room types at the Landmark Nicosia in Cyprus, and it surprised me. I'll show you both, the good and the bad, and cover the rest of the hotel and services. The hotel is about 48 kilometers from Landmark Airport, and it takes about 35 minutes to reach it. The Landmark Nicosia is working under the Marriott brand, which means that you can expect high-quality service. When I arrived, staff came out to help with the luggage straight away, reception staff were friendly, and check-in was very quick. First room I stayed was a junior suite. Big TV, full minibar where you can find different kinds of drinks and snacks at an extra cost, of course. Very clean, everything new and working. Spacious, with a large sofa bed, so if you're traveling with children or need an extra bed, this is the one. The bed is large and comfortable, new room controls, modern sockets. A proper work corner with a decent table and chair, perfect for those who came on a business trip. The balcony is a good size, fine for morning coffee, smoking or watching the sunset. The bathroom is spacious and new with a separate shower and bathtub, full amenities, and of course you can request more. The walk-in closet has enough hanging space and a room for all your bags, and there is extra space by the room entrance for suitcases, which I loved, so you're not tripping over them the way you do in a standard room. You know exactly what I mean. The room is perfect for a solo business trip, couples, or a family trip with children. I loved it. Breakfasts were excellent, from the salads to the desserts. Good quality throughout, and the chefs take it seriously. Very good variety, and all is fresh. Just baked, warm, soft bread every morning was my favorite part. One minus. Flies in the breakfast buffet. Waiters serve drinks inside and on the terrace, so the doors are constantly opening. Seasonal, but worth mentioning. Room service food was good quality. The only problem is the ordering app, which makes mistakes. Order by phone instead. The lobby bar has a full drinks selection, plus private meeting rooms you can book. You get food and drink service from the bar menu while you work, privacy and service at the same time, which I found very convenient. The room comes in different sizes and you can request the prices from the reception staff. The second suite at the Landmark I stayed in was a capital suite. It is bigger but open plan and it feels different, more suitable for couple or a businessman trip. Very spacious living area, big TV, though the sofa doesn't fold out. The main difference is the bathroom. Only the shower and the toilet have doors. The bathtub, sinks, and mirrors are in the room itself. Same walk-in closet and storage, but the desk is much smaller, better suited for makeup than to work. Same comfortable bed, same room light controls and modern sockets. The balcony in this room is far bigger. It runs the full length of the living area and the bedroom, with access from both, so there is genuinely room for morning yoga. Overall, I loved it. If you're looking at hotels in Nicosia, I'd recommend the Landmark. It's not cheap, but the hotel is new and these prices make sense. Plus, the only competitor in the area of the same quality they have is Hilton Nicosia. But that hotel is old and needs renovation. Subscribe and I'll give you my honest professional opinion on other hotels.